Question is, a lot of people don't quite know this, and I get this question all the time in this first unit. So I just really want to make sure that we know what it is. So an expression, in Ms. K's terms, is a mathematical statement that includes operations and numbers. Now, it doesn't always have to include operations, but it can include operations. If you don't remember, our four math operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So it can include operations, it doesn't have to, and it also includes numbers. Now, the main thing about expressions is this, and I'm going to put it in red. An expression does not have an equal sign. We are not solving for anything. We're not solving for an unknown. So it does not have an equal sign. What does that mean? We can't solve it. So you're never going to see the instruction solve the expression. We don't solve. What we do with an expression is we simplify or evaluate it. And I'm going to show you what I mean. Say you're given the expression. Here's an example expression. Three plus 2 minus 5 plus 7. What I see in this expression is that I have four different terms, right? I have four different numbers. So term 1 is 3, term 2 is 2, term 3 is 5 or negative 5, and term 4 is 7. Well, what I can do is I see that I have operations, so that means I can simplify this expression. Simplify means make the term smaller. So if I started with 4, can I make it 3? Can I make it 2? Can I make it 1? So that's what it means. In this case, we can. So first we would do 3 plus 2. We know 3 plus 2 is 5, and then I would continue to rewrite my expression. Now I went from 4 terms to 3 terms. So I've simplified it. Can I simplify it more? Yes. Here's 5 minus 5. What is 5 minus 5? 0. So now I've went from 3 terms to 2 terms. 0 minus 7. Well, 0 minus 7 is actually negative 7. We'll learn that more in a later lesson if you don't know how I got negative 7. But what I'm left with is one single term, which is the goal. I simplified it from 4 terms to 1 term. So expressions, we simply make them smaller. That's what simplify means. Another thing you can see when we have expressions, another key word is evaluate. It means basically the same thing as simplify. It means make them smaller, do the operations to make them smaller. All right, thank you.